In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock and select Face and Fingerprint Unlock over here. To continue, you need to enter your current login method. Tap on Face Unlock over here and select More at the bottom right corner. Then again. And finally, after reading all of those disclaimers, hit I agree at the bottom right corner to continue. Finally, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you're ready, hit Start to begin. Then hit Done. Now you can manage all of those Face Unlock options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!